Yes, this is Newbery again. So hi, in today's video I'm going to paint this butterfly. As a matter of fact, but someone requested this. So here we go. This is a simple butterfly. So I show you how to paint this butterfly. So in this butterfly they have a two pattern here. So just this one is a zigzag right here, and then this one is the round, almost rounded like this one, then the other one. So to me, I rather use this one because the pictures that she gave me, the person requested this, is like a zigzag. So yeah, let's do it, this guys. Yeah, all right, the brushes I'm going to use today is the flat brush, these two, and I have a round brush just like this. This is a small one, and then the liner, and then the fine one, this is for detailing. And also I have the colors, just only simple colors I'm going to use. Ultramarine green, the ivory black, and then the titanium white. So this is the simplest color I'm going to use today. Alright, so could we start it, shall we? Alright guys, I'll see you. This is a simple painting, okay? Okay, let's begin. I make my mixtures. This one, in order to get this color, so I add the color of the white is more white, the blue, ultramarine, and then the green. So just like that. So it's come up like this color. And then to get my darker color, darkest blue, I use the ultramarine, and then a little bit black. So you got a nice deep blue, and then a nice light blue from over here for this mixture. So alright, so let's begin now. And then first of all, before you do that, you just gonna draw your butterfly first, or if you have a pattern that you can, you know, copy it, so you can go ahead and do it. So let's go and try this easy butterfly. Okay, let's begin. Okay, we start over here, the antenna. Okay, I call that antenna. So just gotta dip in a black color, and then the deep blue. Okay, so you're just gonna straight line there, and then the antenna. exactly just like that. We do as simple as possible. Just a one stroke, just like that. So just okay, after all those done, I put a line over here. So I'm gonna like this one. This is like a little darker color that I put in before, and now I'm gonna layers with a blue color. Okay, make it deeper. So. Okay, I'm just gonna add more blue, another layer, just like that. It's done. So I put a background here. It's a little bit purplish, a little bit, and then the flowers. So okay, guys, and thank you for watching, and stay tuned for my butterfly too.